Hello everyone. The biggest mistake most of the people are doing, they put 4 into the denominator and they get the following equation. They have 3 over 16 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 divided by 4. So then what they do the operation from the denominator, and then of course at the end they do the fraction. So they leave the denominator as it is. They have 3. Then they do all the operation down. So 16 divided by 4, they have 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. And 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So in this case, they have 3 over 2 or 1.5. But this, of course, approach is not correct, because if you remember the KCF rule, which stands for keep the first number, then change the sign, and then flip the second one, here we'll have multiply by 1/4. Therefore, the correct answer, the correct solution would be 3 over 16 divided by 4. We have 4 multiplied by 2. We saw that is 8. And again, the KCF rule, we keep the first number, then we change the sign, and we flip the second one. So in this case, we have 3 multiplied by 1, we have 3. 8 multiplied by 4, 32. And of course, guys, this is the correct answer. 3 over 32. Thank you very much, guys. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.